Hello, today we will know the unknown surprising facts of the world-famous Shri Jagannath temple located at Puri, Odisha. The Jagannath temple in Puri, Odisha, is one of the most revered Hindu temples dedicated to Lord Jagannath, a form of Vishnu. Here are some surprising facts about the temple. The flag defies the wind. The temple flag always flutters in the opposite direction of the wind, which seems to defy the laws of physics. No shadow of the temple, despite its massive size. The temple casts no shadow at any time of the day, an architectural marvel. Largest kitchen. The temple kitchen, one of the largest in the world, prepares Mahaprasad for 200,000 people daily, yet it is never wasted or falls short. Mysterious Sudarshan Chakra. The Sudarshan Chakra atop the temple appears the same from all directions and is installed in a such way that it seems to always be facing you. No birds or planes fly over the temple. Unlike other places, no birds or airplanes fly over the temple, which remains a mystery. The temple's main door ritual. Every day, a priest climbs 214 feet to change the temple flag barefoot without any modern safety equipment. Reverse sea breeze. Normally, the sea breeze moves from the sea to land during the day, but in Puri, the breeze flows from land to sea in the daytime, reversing natural physics. The hidden idol's secret ritual. Nabkalibar. Every 12 to 19 years, the deities are secretly replaced through a process called Nabkalibar, and no one has ever seen the transfer happen. Mystical cooking process. The temple has 7 pots placed one over the other on fire, yet the top pot cooks first, followed by the bottom ones. Silence of the sea at Singhadwara, main gate. As soon as you step inside the temple from the Singhadwara, main gate, the sound of the sea waves completely disappears, but it returns once you step outside. These mysteries make Jagannath Temple one of the most fascinating spiritual places in India. Have you ever visited the temple?